This just happening at ferry. You can see this. You can see the boy. The child is being taken away. This is very unfortunate. This is very, very unfortunate. Oh my goodness. This is exactly what happened. Unajua kuna watu wako chini ya maji na wanakunywa maji. Wanaambiwa tokeni nje niende. Unajua inazidi kuinama. Oh, this is an accident just happened at the ferry channel. Many people are trapped inside here. Oh my goodness. Hakuna njia, hakuna kitu inaweza vuta hii kitu. Ilikuwa na watu. Najua waonekane wale walikuwa upande huo wa chini, the other side.
Ndio wa kwanza.
So unajua ilikuwa upande huu ya kutoka. There are people trapped in there. Those are divers coming in for the rescue. Very unfortunate. But as you can see, they are slow in what they are doing. Lives could be lost in here. Lives could be lost in here. We don't know how many people are trapped in here. Let's hope that there's none. Unajua kama inarudi nyuma. There's no way unless they control. Unajua shuttle break ni alafu ndio kumenyesha. Ile drizzle ndio imesababisha. Yeah, it looks they were all saved. We thank God for His mercy and grace. Looks like there are no casualties here.
Wewe msirudi hapa tena, hamna